Do videos help with SEO? In this video, I'm going to cover whether videos actually help you in terms of getting your website to rank and what part they actually play in SEO, whether you should include them in your website or not. So firstly, short answer is indirectly. Yes, indirectly, videos can help you with SEO to rank higher. However, they don't directly impact your rankings, and I'll explain to you why. So what videos do when it comes to SEO? So the primary thing that videos actually do is they increase the dwell time, which is the time that the user spends on the page or on your website. And this also helps to increase engagement rate, because when they're watching a video, they're obviously engaging with parts of your page or your website. Now, Google tracks this through Google Analytics 4, and so Google can see when this happens. And one of the things that they've been implementing more and more, especially in recent times, is that they're prioritizing websites which have a better engagement rate and more dwell time on the website, and then increase the rankings of those websites. Now, your website's probably not going to jump from like page 9 to page 1 as a result of this, but it does incrementally help add to the entire picture and can help to increase your rankings over time if these metrics are good. So these two things do help indirectly with SEO. Now, what videos also do is that they add rich content onto your page. So things like video, images, things like that is what Google considers rich content, and that can actually help it as well. If it's your video, it can help to drive more traffic to your website, which will also indirectly impact your SEO in a positive sense. So if it's a video you've made, you've uploaded it to YouTube, you link to your website, for instance, or you tell people about the website and they go onto your website, that does bring more traffic to your site, and as a result, that can actually increase your rankings as well, again, indirectly. The videos can also help to increase conversion. So for instance, if it's a video sales letter or a VSL, for instance, on a landing page, this can help to indirectly increase SEO because it increases conversions and Google can see that. And again, that's a good user experience, and so it'll over time help to improve your rankings as well. Now, your video itself can rank on Google in the Google results. I'm sure you've seen the videos show up in search, and they can also rank on YouTube as well, which can help get you more views and drive more traffic to your website. Again, if you're linking your website or mentioning it, and as a result, that can help increase your rankings as well. What videos don't do? Adding the video to your page is not going to suddenly push it up in the rankings, at least typically speaking. If all your competitors have videos and you don't, then adding a video onto that page will help you compete with them a lot better. However, it's unlikely to change the world if your page is not that great and all you did was add video and hope that that's going to bring you up to page 1. I wouldn't quite rely on that to be the entire solution if that's what you're trying to achieve. So to summarize, having videos is definitely beneficial for SEOs, and you should add videos when possible to your content. However, the video itself won't magically make your website rank. You need to do everything else with SEO as well. It might just help and boost it a little bit, and you can definitely rank without videos as well, but they can help boost it a bit. So that's basically it when it comes to videos for SEO. If you'd like me to coach you on how to do SEO or Google ads for only $49 a month, go to learndominatemarketing.com. And if you'd like us to do the SEO or Google ads for you, go to dominatemarketing.io, book a call with us there. Catch you on the next one.